Ready to turn your gaming PC into cash? Learn how to list it on Offerup like a pro. Selling electronics, particularly PCs on Offerup, has become really popular due to the platform's ease of use and access to large audience of potential buyers. Whether you're upgrading or simply looking to purge some of your tech collection, Offerup provides a seamless experience that caters to both novice and seasoned sellers. In this guide, I'm going to deep dive into the essential steps for successfully listing your gaming PC on Offerup, ensuring that you get the most bang for your buck and avoid common pitfalls. From setting up your account and preparing your PC for sale to crafting an eye-catching listing and effectively gauging buyers, every crucial element is covered. By the end of this, you'll be armed with strategies to make your listing stand out and tips to close the deal safely and efficiently. So gear up and let's get started and making your Offerup selling journey a win. So first, setting up your account. Creating a robust presence on Offerup starts with a solid account setup. Let's walk through the process to ensure you're primed for success. First things first, getting your foot in the door involves creating an account. If you're new to Offerup, head over to their website or download the app. Enter your email address and choose a strong password and follow the prompts to set up your account. It's user-friendly, almost like setting up a new game for the first time. Make sure you verify your email and phone number. This adds a layer of credibility that assures potential buyers you're the real deal. Profile optimization. Let's talk about sprucing up your seller profile. Think of your profile as your in-game avatar. You want it to be eye-catching and trustworthy. Start with a clear profile photo. Don't be shy. It doesn't have to be a glamour shot, just something that shows you off as a real person. Add a short bio outlining your selling style, like tech enthusiast turning over a new leaf. If you sold on Offerup or any other platforms before, flaunt those positive reviews like a badge of honor. They build instant trust with newbies and emphasize your reliability. If you're just starting, don't worry though. You'll gather those reviews soon enough. Dive into your Offerup selling journey with confidence, knowing that a well-optimized profile is your best asset to attract a crowd of buyers ready for your gaming rig. Next, preparing your gaming PC for sale. So you've decided to part ways with your trusty gaming rig. Now it's time to make sure it's in the best possible shape for its next owner and that you're showcasing it to full potential. Here's how to prep your gaming PC like a seasoned seller. Cleaning and testing. First things first, time to give your gaming PC some TLC. Grab some microfiber cloths, a can of compressed air, and perhaps a small brush. Dust can be a serious detractor from your PC's allure, so gently clean away any dust bunnies clinging to the fans or motherboard without disassembling anything vital if you're not familiar with the process. Remember, a clean PC is a happy PC. Next up, make sure everything's running smoothly. Boot up your system, ensure all hardware components such as the graphics card and RAM are all working as expected. Run some diagnostics or even a stress test to confirm the performance is still up to par. Listing the PC's specifications accurately, including the processor type, graphics card model, memory, and storage capacity, can lead to quicker sales and more satisfied buyers. And be honest, if there are any quirks that they should know about, now's the time to spill the beans. Photographing your PC. Now that your PC is spotless and running like a dream, it's time for a little photo session. You don't need to be Annie Leibovitz, but the composition and quality do matter. Find a well-lit area and consider using natural light if possible. Capture your PC from multiple angles, front, side, back, and don't forget to include those enticing close-ups of the spec sticker if applicable. Any cool lighting effects or special customizations like additional fans or unique cases that make your PC stand out. Crisp, well-composed shots show potential buyers exactly what they're getting and will make your listing more attractive. If you're throwing extras like an original packaging, cables, gaming accessories, make sure to include those in your photos. Set them up neatly so that the buyer can get a sense of what they're receiving. Well-done photos can be the often difference between a buyer scrolling past or stopping to have a second look. With your PC looking sparkly clean and the pictures looking professional, you're well on your way to attracting interested buyers on Offerup. Listing your gaming PC. Now that your gaming PC is shiny, clean, and ready to meet its new owner, it's time to create that really good listing that grabs attention. Think of this as a digital first impression, and you want it to be downright memorable. First up, crafting a compelling title. You want something snappy that screams, "Look at me," without overpromising. Stray away from generic titles like gaming PC for sale and aim for something more descriptive like high performance gaming PC with RTX 3070 with water cooling. This title gives prospective buyers a hint of the juicy details right from the get-go. When it comes to the description, detail is your best friend. Imagine you're introducing your PC to someone who you've never met before. What would they want to know? Include the specs like the processor type, GPU, RAM, storage options, and any special features. If you've upgraded parts, flaunt it. Brand names and model numbers are important here as well. Buyers often search by the specifics. Don't shy away from mentioning any quirks or flaws either. Transparency builds trust and saves you from headaches down the line. Pricing strategies. Setting the right price can feel a bit like standing at a crossroads, especially in the tech world where prices fluctuate based on the latest and greatest. Start by pursuing similar listings on Offerup and other platforms like eBay to get a sense of the current market rate for PCs with comparable specs. Websites like PC Part Picker can help you estimate the price of components sold, which can help guide your overall pricing. Strive to strike a balance, something that's tempting for buyers but also fair for you. Remember, everyone's looking for a deal, but too low and you may not get your PC's worth. Too high and you're going to scare off everyone. Consider setting a slightly higher price to leave some wiggle room for negotiations. This way, buyers can feel like they're getting a sweet deal when you inevitably drop the price just a tad. Lastly, decide whether you're open to price offers or want a firm price. Make sure to communicate this clearly in your listing to filter out serious buyers from bargain hunters just looking to haggle. Engaging with potential buyers. So you've posted your gaming PC on Offerup and interest is starting to swirl. Now it's time to master the art of engaging with buyers. First off, communication is key. Picture this. You're the buyer submitting a question, hoping for a fast response. Step into those shoes and aim to reply as promptly and as possible. Quick responses not only demonstrate that you're an attentive seller, but also increase your chances of closing a deal before a buyer's attention wanders off to another listing. Make sure your tone is friendly yet professional, conveying that you're open to dialogue, but also serious about making a sale. Another tip. Have answers ready for the common queries you might get. What's the PC's condition? Any chance for a slight price tweak? Be prepared with accurate, concise information. And if you're juggling several inquiries, consider an FAQ sheet you can easily copy and paste. That little bit of efficiency goes a long way. Transparency here can be your best friend, alright guys? Buyers want to know about your gaming rig's performance levels, its history, or if there's any warranty left. Be clear and honest in your responses. Provide screenshots of benchmark tests or even a short video clip showing the PC in action if possible. This not only boosts your credibility, but can also speed up the decision-making process for the buyer. In terms of making the sale more appealing, consider offering different meeting or shipping options. Some buyers might appreciate the convenience of home delivery, while others might feel more comfortable with a public place meeting. Show that you're flexible and you're more likely to cement that buyer interest. Offering these extras show you're going above and beyond just a transaction. You're delivering an experience. Master these steps and you're just a handshake, well, virtual otherwise, away from sealing the deal.